Welcome to Raj Technologies. In the series of Spring Security module of Spring Framework, we have discussed the need of going with this Spring Security, the meaning of authentication and authorization, and we have discussed about HTTP basic authentication, and even we have discussed about how to write the consumer application to access secured APIs, secured REST APIs. In this session, we are going to see how to secure specific URL patterns. Now, so the need of going for this, let us understand. When we add security starter, in pym.xml file, then it will apply what it's going to do. It's going to apply security filter for all the HTTP methods. Of the application. Now, but what we want to do, we don't want to secure all the methods here. So we need to secure only few methods, not all methods of our application, not all methods in our application. Like example, if you consider like register. So in order to register, is security required? Security not required. Security not required means anyone can access. Anyone can access. Now, if you go with the login, for this one also security not required. If you say something like I want to transfer the funds, for transfer security is required. Now, I want to check the balance amount, check balance. So again, security is required. I want to check about us. For this, security not required. Like this. So for some of the URLs, security is required. So for some URLs, security is not required. Means I want to secure only some specific methods, not all methods of our application. So in order to achieve this requirement, we need to create one security configuration file. We need to create what? One security configuration class in our application. Now let us understand how to secure some specific URL patterns. For that, let us open our Spring Toolsuite and let us open our project here. And in this, let us go with this Hello REST controller. In this, we are having this say hello method. Now let us add some more methods like public string say greeting. Now let us go with the message welcome to all, some message. Now let us apply git mapping and let me go with the mapping as greet. Now let us create one more public string get info where we'll say written we provide some message full stack Java training. Let us apply the mapping at the rate get mapping. Let me go with the pattern as info. Now let us run this project, and for this, what is our username for this application? So for this, we have provided already the username and password, that is Rajtech, and the password is Rajtech123. Now let us run this project. Right click on the Spring Boot Security app, run as Spring Boot app. Now open Postman and check here. Get method HTTP localhost 8080 hello. When you click on send, it's saying see hello everyone. So already we have provided the authentication. In authorization, basic authentication, we have provided our username and password. If you are not going with authentication, if no authentication, if you say send, it is saying say unauthorized. Only when you provide the username and password, it is going with the result hello everyone. Similar way, when you go with this greet, when you provide greet, and if you are going with no authentication, see what it is saying, unauthorized. Only when you provide the authentication, basic authentication, provide the username and password, that is rajtech123. See here, password rajtech123. So when you say send, it is giving the reply welcome to all. Similar way, when you go with info, if no authentication, it is unauthorized. If you provide the basic authentication like username and password, when you say send, it is providing our response to us. We provide full stack Java training. Now the objective is for this get info method, for this REST API, we don't want to secure. So for this URL security is not required. So for this URL, when you don't want to provide security, then what is the solution is, we have to create one security configuration class in our application. So let us go to this package com.spring.security. In this, let us create one class. Let me go with the name app security config. Now go with the annotations. Let me stop this. Now go with the annotations like @configuration, @enable web security. So we are enabling web security, and in this class go with the method public security filter chain. The written type of this method is security filter chain. I'm going with the method name as security, which takes HTTP security as argument, which is taking as what, HTTP security as argument. Now, so annotated has been. Now in this method, now we have to authorize the HTTP request. Write like this: HTTP dot authorize HTTP request. Here go with the request dot request matches. So which one we want to allow? Info. So we want to allow info. So for this info, you permit all. Then any other request, authenticate. Any request authenticated. Dot. Let me write like this, so that it will be visible for you. So request matches info, permit all, any request authenticated. Any request should be authenticated. Only for info we are permitting. Any other request should be authenticated. Dot HTTP basic customizer dot with the defaults. Customizer dot with the defaults dot form. So with the defaults, what happened? Dot form login customizer dot with the defaults. So this configuration we need to do, and finally say return HTTP dot build. That's it. here some small mistake. So here, so what we are doing, see here, whatever the request you are getting. So if it is request matcher info, so we are permitting, and any other request we should be authenticated. Any request should be authenticated. Customizer dot with the defaults. Right, that's it. One parenthesis has come extra over here. So this application configuration file we need to create. When the request matching is info, we are permitting. Any other request need to be authenticated. Any other request need to be what? Authenticated. Now, save this one. Run the project now. Run this project as Spring Boot app. Now, go to Postman. Now check here. Get method call. Info. No authentication. I'm not providing any authentication. See, we are going to get the result here. So for this info, security is not provided. If you go for other things like hello, if you say hello, check it here, no authentication, it is saying unauthorized. Only when you provide authentication, then only we are going to get the response. Even for the next one, greet. Even for the greet API also, if you are not providing any authentication, it is going to say unauthorized. Only when you provide the basic authentication, then only we are going to get the response. Whereas for info, we have set permit all. Even though you are not providing any authentication, we are going to get the response. So this is the way to secure specific URLs. So very, very important. Please practice this. And in the next session, we are going to see in-memory authentication in our Spring Security module. Thank you. Thank you very much.